Well, I don't know if many of you are aware of the fact that the name WatchFrame refers to to both things. One, if watches, like the L'Oreal Falcon 3 that I'm wearing, and frame refers to the frame of photography, of a photography, because I like both photography and watches. And yes, lately I have been changing my photographic and filming equipment from Fujifilm to Nikon. Nothing wrong with Fujifilm, but I fell back with the Nikon, which was some of my first cameras ever, and I really like these cameras. And the thing is that brought me into the rabbit hole of watching videos again of cameras, of vintage lenses, and all that stuff. The camera that I'm filming with is the Nikon CF, which has a familiar vintage body design that I really like, because I'm kind of vintage too. And talking about that, I wanted a lens that I wanted to change, a vintage lens that I wanted to use for photography, for street photography. And finally I ended up buying this that I'm going to show you today, which again is not related to watches directly. It's a camera. So now, without further ado, I'm going to open the box. I haven't seen anything, so I just picked up the box, and let's open it and see how things are. Well, seems like it's very well protected with all of this. Now I will have to do something with this to use it later in the future if I want to sell something. Well, I'm just going to throw that away, and here is what I got. Now again, I will pick that up later. Now again, well protected with all of this, so I hope everything is fine inside. This is kind of difficult to open sometimes. Well, and here it is. This is it. This is the Nikon FM2, a classic vintage camera with the 50mm Nikon lens 1.4. It also brings a filter too, so quite complete. This is a film camera, not digital, and it's one of the cameras that Nikon got inspired to create the Nikon CF. This one and the FE2, some people say, and also the Nikon F3 has some resemblance with those cameras. And this is a very nice lens. Seems to work all right. The focus ring, smooth. Maybe it's not the best, but it's fairly good enough. Okay, what was that? I don't know. Oh, okay. It's because it's 1 second. Let's say 125. Okay, now I'm going to check if the meter is working. Seems so. Well, I will need to check a couple of things, but well, this is the camera that I just got, and I'm going to check that everything is alright and that it is working.